What's going on, guys? Welcome back to day 2 of working on the car. We're gonna go ahead and try to take this front bumper off real quick, and just gonna rush right into this, get started. Kit will be here probably around 12 to 2, in between there probably, and all we really need to do is take off this front bumper and we'll be good to go. It's already on jack stands from last night. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll see y'all in a bit. I'll update you then. What's going on, guys? Give you a little update so far. Got the whole front bumper off now. Didn't take too long. Maybe about 45 minutes, 30 minutes. But there's the front bumper. Now it's time to take off the front crash support bar, so we can fit the intercooler in there a little easier. Plus I got an aftermarket one to put on the car anyway. Hopefully I can make that work with the intercooler. If not, then I have to use the stock one for now, until I can figure out something how to make it work. But yeah, I just thought I'd update everybody on my progress and everything. And what's going on, y'all? Little update. Got a lot done. I'm missing one part, I believe. It's a elbow. Does this right here. It's like, does that right there. I'm missing that elbow for the tubing. But we got the intercooler mounted right there with the aftermarket crash bar. Just testing fitting the tubing I do have. Still got to take the throttle body off, install colder plugs, put the Z01 fuel pump in, fix the catch can stuff here. I need to get a bigger hose clamp for this radiator clamp. For some reason it just wasn't working like it should have been. But I got the supercharger mounted. Got the power steering fluid reservoir pretty much done. I gotta go get a T or something like that to make it work. I got that big pulley down there installed, you know, stuff like that. It's pretty much all done. The Z brackets I got for this isn't gonna work. It is intended for a different intercooler. So the intercooler that he normally orders was on back order or something. Couldn't get no more. So I had to get this Mishimoto, which is cool, I guess, you know. That'll work good enough. Here's more tubing and stuff. I just got this in today, overnighted. Thank you, Will. Appreciate that. This tile go on this right here, the blow off valve. So it's nice. Bunch of hoses and stuff. It's for a mass airflow sensor. Still got to get all that stuff figured out, but it's a work in progress. I'd say we're about 65, 70% done. So well, I'd say about 60, yeah. But I just wanted to give everybody an update. I'm gonna go swimming, take a little break, get some food. I will see you guys in a little bit. Thank you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm just going to update you on what's happening. Everything's inside the car pretty much. I just got to finish the catch can lines. I'm not sure where we left off. I can't really remember. But we got all this up in there now. It's all connected. We got that connected back there for the power steering reservoir. Just got to get these catch cans figured out. So what happens is I got a 2-valve catch can instead of a 3, so I'm gonna have to like T in to make it work, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. That's why I'm still stuck on it. But I'm most positive this one goes here and this one goes here, but I'm gonna have to put this in place to tee off here, and this one will run into that. Then I gotta extend this hose out. It's running from here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah. It's running from the Cobra head it's gonna have to cut this one off and put a longer hose to it and run this one up and into here, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. I have no idea, but you know, that's the only thing that makes sense to me. I had to put on the stock radiator hose. Aftermarket one wouldn't work, so, but it's doing a little rub right here. It's dirty. It's just dirt. It's nasty dirt. I tried cleaning it off, but it ain't clamping or nothing. It ain't rubbing the AC line, nothing like that. So we'll be all right for a little while. Intercooler's in and everything. Garage is a mess now from it all. I still got to put on. Let's see. That's on there. Stuff. Everything's on there now. Just got to figure out the catch can lines. I got to figure out how to run my boost gauge. That's pretty much it. That's about it. ZL1 fuel pump and I'm good to go. This thing will be started in the next day or two. Hopefully tomorrow at the latest. I was wanting to get it done today, but I got other things planned, I guess. So, you know. But I guess I'll get these catch can lines ran sometime. I'll get the ZL1 fuel pump in and stuff. I'll just update you as I go. I didn't really update y'all good enough, but I'm updating you now. So I will see y'all in a little bit. It'll be maybe a day for y'all. It's gonna be, oh no, it's gonna be like a second for y'all. It's gonna be a day for me, but I'll see you when I see you. What's going on, guys? I just wanted to go ahead and say, at the time of this recording, the supercharger is pretty much done. Because right now, remember I was talking about showing you all the parts and stuff coming in and what's coming in, the update and stuff, whatever. Right now, it's pretty much done. That's all I'm gonna say. Just got a couple things to tidy up and we're good. But that's all I had to say. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please tell me what I need to do more. Tell me how the GoPro's doing. Like the video, subscribe. Really helps out. But I will see y'all on the next video when it's up and running and stuff like that. Just stay tuned, subscribe. You don't want to miss it. Peace.